Alright. Well, I just want to apologize because none of these videos seem to be in a good chronological order. But last night I put in the interior, and for the sake of being thorough, I washed everything out one more time before I installed the carpet seats and all the panels and whatnot. I'm just waiting on these two pieces to dry over there on the truck bed. Oh, hey Pickles, you're back. But yeah, it came out real nice. Looks, almost new, man. Super nice. I'm replacing this head unit with a Tesla screen, and I'm replacing these two panels here because the previous owner cracked them and they tried to like super glue them in place. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, everything else cleaned up super nice, man. It's like the carpet was in such good shape after it was cleaned up. Right now I'm doing the water pump and timing belt. This isn't like a how-to channel, but I mean, my advice is free about what it's worth too, but I'd say if you're gonna do the water pump, make sure you get ASIN parts. It's a Toyota supplier. Don't cheap out on that. Make sure you get, a Toyota original OEM parts for that. Some people may say, hey man, why didn't you do that while I was on the engine stand? I just wanted to make sure the engine ran, so naturally I installed it in the vehicle to make sure that it ran before I installed the water pump and timing belt kit. Dude, whatever, man. Hindsight's 20/20. It fired right up though, and it sounded really good. It ran good, so I feel good about installing that kit. It's just kind of expensive. It'd be a crying shame to, waste it on a motor that was bad. But yeah, the motor's really good. And then once that's done, I can put like the accessory drive back on it. I can install the radiator. I got some electric cooling fans for that from the yard. Came off of like a Camry or something. Denso original fans. They work good. I jumped them with a battery. So yeah, I got this made in Italy 2-speed cooling fan, temperature sensor, dealio. Ground, purple's high speed, green is low. And it's getting wired into this harness here. Goes straight to the battery. It's a pretty nice little unit there. It was only like 30 bucks on the Evil Bay. Alright, we've got it all taken apart. Made sure that the mounting surface for this new water pump is nice and clean and flat. And then got to make sure that this little notch here is lined up with this nipple, and you can't really see it unless you clean it up. But yeah, we are in time. So I'm gonna install the new water pump now, torque it to spec. Don't know what it is, I'll Google it. Put the new timing belt on, and then yeah, put this thing all back together. So stay tuned.